Now, this question, the equation y equals ax plus b passes through the point 2, comma 1. Well, the equation can't actually pass through, but it's supposed to be the line with equation y equals ax plus b passes through the point 2, comma 1 and is parallel to the line with equation y minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Find the values of a and b. So this equation, the graph of that equation passes through the point 2, 1 and is parallel to this line. So being parallel to y minus 4x plus 3 equals 0 means they both have the same gradient. And rearranging this to become y equals 4x minus 3, remember it's y equals mx plus c for linear equations, and that means the gradient m is equal to 4. And that means in the equation y equals ax plus b, where a is the gradient, therefore the gradient of this line is 4, so that means a, being the gradient, is equal to 4. So that's the value of a. And the other bit of information you're given is the point 2, comma 1 belongs to this line. So anytime in a question where you know that a point belongs to a line or an equation, really what you have to do is sub that point in to find the value of an unknown, such as in this question, and that's what you do. So you sub 2 comma 1 into this equation because it belongs to it, and you get 1 is equal to a times 2 plus b, remembering x is 2, y is 1, and then the next step, replacing the a with 4, you get 1 equals 4 times 2 plus b, that becomes 1 equals 8 plus b, minusing 8 from both sides, you get 1 minus 8 equals b, and b equals minus 7. So the answer to this question is a equals 4, b equals minus 7, and this is a diagram of what's actually happening, and remember that is the x and y axis. So this equation I have drawn a sketch of using the information here. So after it's been rearranged to this form, c is equal to minus 3, the y-intercept c, gradient of 4, so it's a positive gradient, and then here's the point 2 comma 1. So this other line y equals ax plus b is parallel to this line and passing through that point, so it means it comes down here something like that, in that direction, same direction as this one, and passing through that point, and its y-intercept would be some number below minus 3, and because b is actually the y-intercept of the equation and b equals minus 7, that means it would cut down here at minus 7. If the graph was drawn to scale, it would be a little bit further down, perhaps here. So that's what's happening as far as the graph of the situation, and I haven't actually drawn the line in, but it would be parallel to this other one and passing through 2 comma 1. You don't have to draw the graph for this question, it's not asking you to, but if it helps to draw the graph in these kind of questions, then I recommend you do it. I always show the graph to my students when I'm doing a question like this because it helps them to understand what's actually happening. So that's what's happening in this question, and this is the answer to it here.